We are Alitalia Engineering and Maintenance Division, a group that merges experience, passion, reliability. We are proud of our work because we know that our hands guarantee a safe flight for thousands of people every day. We are dynamic, competent, fast, because in our line of work, time makes all the difference. It's more than technical competence. It's the love for this job. More than engineering and electronics. It's the talent of men and women working together in an extraordinary team. We fly high like the airplanes that we care for, knowing that what we do represents excellence. This strength, this knowledge, guarantees the assurance of always being in the right hands.